Hi, welcome to this video in which I will show you this car driving on one of my favorite roads, and this car is Renault Twingo RS Gordini, model year 2013, with not factory exhaust system. As you can see, the exhaust is not factory, and this exhaust is Inoxcar 80mm exhaust back end. Muffler back and this exhaust is also ECC or whatever it's called certified, so it is legal for road use. But I will have a question for you at the end of the video that you will maybe be able to help me with exactly about this exhaust. Now enjoy the video of driving it. Me driving it, and it will start a little bit slow because there are not a lot of twisties at the start, but then they will come. I hope that you will enjoy the video. And so this was the video about of driving on this nice road with Inoxcar exhaust. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. And anyway, let's go now to my dilemma. So since I'm not 20 years old anymore, and I usually liked a little bit louder exhausts, but now my dilemma is, should I keep this exhaust Inoxcar or should I go back to the stock exhaust, which I have, because I would not buy this car if it would not come with the factory exhaust system. So I have it. It's basically very good. It's almost new. So the dilemma is, why am I here discussing this? I hope, please comment below, tell me your opinion. Should I keep it or should I not? Should I go back to the stock? I basically like the stock cars. I think that enough of research was done there, and also the sound should be quite okay. It's usually okay, especially on some sporty cars. And since I'm not using this car as a daily, but it is just a fun car, it is not so important to have the stock exhaust. But anyway, I really do hate terrorizing other people with the exhaust sound. Why? So I was exactly here on my favorite road when I was driving one day, and I stopped here. As you can see, you can stop exactly here and have a nice view to the valley, complete valley. And when I was sitting here, I could hear a car that came on the other side of the valley and went down. And then I could hear it all the way down up the valley and all the twisties and everything. And then it came here, roaring up here. And the car was which? So it was a Porsche Cayman with a really not factory exhaust. Probably it was quite open, and I hated it. Why I hated it? First, Porsche cars have usually very nice sound from the factory. And with this sound, it was just loud, but there was no that singing. It was that sound from overtuned cars where there is just loudness, nothing else. There's no singing, there's no some special tone of the sound, anything. And not only that, the sound was not nice, but I could hear him over the whole valley. And there is a village there, and also quite close there are another villages. And I'm sure that these people were able to hear this car. Is this okay? I think not. You should not be able to terrorize other people with the sound that you like. Go to the racetrack and use it there. But so this is also this is it. So this was why I'm not keen on keeping this Inoxcar exhaust. I'll still need to decide. I will see. And the other thing is also that this sound is not really loud. So it is not in that so loud as from that Porsche, because it's also legal. So you can this exhaust has a CE approval, so it is legal. But you can still hear a little bit of that overtuned car sound. So in some revs I could hear it. I do like when it is at the limiter. There is a very crisp sound at the top, but I'm not keen of it. I will probably at least, if I will not keep the stock exhaust, I will at least install it and see what it will be the sound, and see if I like it better. Or maybe I prefer it with this Inoxcar exhaust. Maybe also this can happen. So it's easily, I think it will not be a problem just to mount it up and back on, then back on and back off if I will not like it. So I'll probably at least test it, and we'll see then. But I'm interested in your opinion. What would you do? Would you keep this Inoxcar exhaust 80mm? It is legal, it is homologated, so I don't have any problems with police or whatever, because as I said, this is legal. I could keep it like it is, but I still need to decide. Thank you for your input. I will be glad to read all your comments. And now the end. So drive safe, smile when you drive, because driving is always fun. Bye!